Good morning, peeps. Yes, it's raining yet again, hence we're in here sulking profusely and trying to finish aquaponics, dealing with water and you don't want to get wet. Yeah, not the brainiest thing. So what we're going to do, we're going to finish this sieve. Yeah, we've got lots of super magnets, piece of chrome steel crap, cigarette. Disgusting habit, don't take it up, it'll kill you. What else we got? We've got some wood and some bits to balance it out, and what we're going to do is we've tightened up all the net as best we can. And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bit of wood on this side, which is holding it up, and allow it to tighten itself as it falls down a bit. Seemed like a good idea to me. And then what we're going to do, we're going to apply glue from here all the way to the bottom and sticky and screw piece of wood on. You know this is going to go wrong. Do I care? Not really, but we're going to do it anyway, so let's go for the laugh. Right, I'm going to pause it a minute while I go and see what the rain's doing. Rain. Bugger off! Hold the line a moment, please. Your caller is waiting. Holy crap, it's raining. Yeah. Every time I've gone outside, it's done this in the last 3 days. So I haven't shown you the aquaponics system because I ain't got a waterproof phone. So you'll have to wait till it's not doing this thing. Sorry. Are we ready? No, we're not. Okay, here we go. There's only one time like the present, and that's yesterday. Sure, that's wrong. Never mind. Alright, here we go. One bead of sticky stuff. Fish safe, of course. And it's not to hold it together as such, it's just to stop the net slipping between the screws. As you can see, it's horribly fine and just doesn't like staying where you put it. There we go, one bead of sticky stuff. We now have 15 minutes to action your plan, otherwise it will blow up, or at least disintegrate badly. Right, one piece of wood. Preferably in about the right place, and we will attempt to put a screw. We saw yesterday's attempt at putting screws in, wasn't good. Let's try anyway. Now we've missed again. Oh! There's an hole there somewhere, you know. Can I find it? Can I tiddly what's it? Where is it? There it is. Ah! Don't go over the net. Don't want glue on the net. Well, it's going down, sort of. Maybe it ain't. Let's go put one at the other end and see if we can make it any worse. Oh, I see why. We're off. We're making a new hole. We don't want a new hole. Perhaps I lined it up on the bottom end and not the top end. Ah, that was good. That landed in about the right place. In theory, we'll tighten from one end to t'other to take any warp out in the wood, but we all know that's not going to happen very well. I'm going to have to trim these edges off and redo the drill bit because it's wandered. Well, drive a bit. It's the only problem with cheap drills. I mean, it's a power and performance one, they're nice enough, but the chucks don't actually hold that well. Right, get in the hole, thank you. No, that one don't want to grab either. Right, let's drop that down to 1 and see if we can do it without. No. Oh dear. Oh, that one went straight in. Sometimes I do have a bit of luck. Not often, mind you. This is normally why I don't talk to you when I'm doing things, because I don't actually talk a lot when I'm doing things. It's so much easier to just be quiet and do what you're doing. And of course that one had to miss. Don't ask me why that one missed, but it decided it was going to. Same with this one, still not biting. Right, what we appear to have now is a piece of wood screwed to another piece of wood so it can be totally screwed. Oh, he says, politely. I wonder if we can get the screw in the end and screw it up a bit more. Nah, that's not happening. Not with that screw anyway, not without a helping hand. So, there we go. Another bit on. So what's going to happen now, let me lift the camera to show you, is this bit, which I haven't drilled yet because there wasn't a rush to do it. Oh, there you go. It's going to go underneath there, so that when we put our water on, it runs all the way down here, over my double bit, which will just be a pain in the bum, yeah, and off this edge here and into the collection bit. Oh, keep dropping the camera. Off this edge here, into the collection bit, with a label which will go soggy and fall off within days, because I forgot to remove it. And I ain't doing it now! So there we go. That's that bit sort of done, and it's stopped raining, so I'm going to go back out and finish the bit I'm on. See you later. How long was... oh, 9 minutes, that's long enough. Don't forget to subscribe wherever it is. Like me, hate me, I don't care. Dirty finger, yeah. Who cares? Do subscribe, hate me, make a comment. Ha ha ha.